in the process of trying to get some help to restore this truck that I have been grateful to receive from a friend of mine that passed away with cancer. He started restoring the truck and passed away. His daughter, in turn, gave me the truck to try to get it completed and restored. It was bought brand new in 1993. So I started to restore the truck and had to have back surgeries. As you can well see, I have done a lot of work to it, but can't afford to finish on my own. Asking for some assistance to complete this restoration so the family will be proud to see what their dad has begun to do of restoration. Once again, sending this video for some assistance to finish restoring a nice project that her dad has started. Would love to show the family that this truck is back where their dad would like it to be before he passed away.